Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by confirming power and software. Charge the AirPods Pro and case above 50% and update your iPhone. Once done, unlock the phone and turn Bluetooth on so Discovery works. Place both replacement AirPods inside the charging case, close, and then open the lid near your device. This triggers the pairing handshake. You do this because the case broadcasts the pairing signal. Proximity and an unlocked iPhone let iOS present the setup animation immediately, streamlining a quick connect. Now focus on the detailed pairing steps. When the setup animation appears, tap Connect and follow prompts. Assign a name so it's easy to identify later. If the animation doesn't show, press and hold the case's rear button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes white. This forces pairing mode. Once paired, go to Settings Bluetooth to verify left and right channels, enable noise control or transparency, and test audio. You want to confirm each bud is mapped correctly before you finish. Finish by validating functionality. Make a test call, toggle active noise cancellation and spatial audio, and ensure fit by trying different ear tips. Fit affects sensors and sound. If something fails, reset the AirPods by holding the case button for 30 seconds until the light flashes amber then white, then repair. If problems persist, try pairing with a different device to isolate the issue, inspect the case and connectors for debris or damage, and consider contacting support if hardware appears defective.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.